Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can make an Edu email in a simple way. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to connect to a USA network VPN. Then we have to go to Brave browser or any other browser, and you must have logged in to a Gmail or Outlook mail or any other email. So now search for SF College. Now open this link. Now click here, apply to SF. Now scroll down and click here, apply. Now click here, start new application. Now click here, United States citizen. Now first time in college, this option. Click next. Now select no diploma. Next. Now for the details, you can enter any name or you can go to this website to get the fake details. Just copy this address details, not address, sorry. You have to fill up the names. Let's fill up these names. Just copy paste everything. Birthday as same as this. Email address, you should use the email address of your own. Country United States, and social security number from here, copy it and paste it here. Okay, now we have copied every detail here. Now click this button and click on next. Okay, now we have to check for verification code. Yes, we got it. Paste it over here and click next. Now here give any password which meets the following requirements given on the screen. So I have given the password. Now click next. Now click I'm not a robot. Now click create account. Okay, our account has been created. Now we have to go to our application and here choose United States of America address. Copy all this address from here. State, select the state from here. Postal code, copy every detail from here. You can select any of this option here. Now click next. Now click this option and select next. Now here give any random details. but last name should be matching. and choose any relationship and give any random mail address. Now click this option, click on next, choose country United States and state which we have given in the fake address. Choose any option here. Now click on next. Choose any college here. Now click on next. Now choose any semester here and choose any year. Now click on next. Now choose here adult basic education. Next. Click here yes. Now click here no. Next. Now click any option here, any degree. Now click on next. Click no military history. Next. Male, non-Hispanic Latino. Now click white and then next. Now click on agree and submit button. Okay, our application has been submitted successfully. So in the next part we are going to see how we can set up this Edu email. Thank you.